As the year is coming to a close and we are looking at 2026 right around the corner, a lot of people are asking us, how do I get more clients and customers for the rest of the year and plan ahead to have a successful 2026? Some people think that it's just more promos, more ads, more sales, more specials to get people in the door, but we really don't want to do more sales and discount. So here are 4 ways that you can help improve your business come 2026 and set yourself up for success. Number 1 is to improve local visibility. So what does that mean? Do you look at your Google business profile? Are you updating your photos? Are you ensuring all your information on there is correct? Are you updating your content, services, and asking for reviews? This is a very key important step to make sure that you show up where people are searching. Number 2 is building that social proof. Piggybacking off what I'm talking about in terms of testimonials and reviews, how are we intentionally asking our clients for reviews and testimonials, success stories, and how are we turning that all into social proof of the success that we've done for our clients? And that could be for anything, for services, for goods and services. How are they enjoying your product? Things to look into. How do we show that they love the product, they've had a great time with your business, and they want to refer more people? Asking for testimonials and showing social proof, putting it out there on social media is the key way for people to like, know, and trust you. People buy from who they like, know, and trust. And that's one of the important things that I see get missed all the time. Third is to engage your past customers. This one is one that I always see missed. A lot of us are always looking for new clients, new customers, new people out there to come and buy our product, buy our service, or any of those things. But something that we often miss and is the lowest hanging fruit is engaging the current clients and customers and happy customers that we have. One of the things that we always look for is how do we ask them, how more can we better help them? Is there more services? Is there something we can do to help improve their business? What are their goals? On the retail front is engaging people who have already bought your product before. How do we re-engage them through email marketing, through social media, through one-on-one text, and even just a plain old phone call? These things are often missed. We want to re-engage our current customers, see what makes them happy, see how we've helped them, and ask them to refer a friend. This is one of the things that we often see missed across the board. And lastly, number 4 is how do we create more helpful content? Social media isn't just about posting photos, beauty shots, lifestyle shots, the best of the best shots on Instagram, TikTok, and all of the above. We want to think about who our avatar is and create content around what they're looking for. What are they coming to us for as a solution? Can we pose a question and reply to that question through the form of helpful content on social media? What I'm doing right now is something that we're putting out for, and hopefully this helps many of you with your business. How do we put more helpful content out there to help our client avatars solve their problem? If we put this into a schedule, create a series about it, even ask our current following and customers to do a live Q&A. They can send us questions, we can reply to answers, and we can put this out as helpful content. The same questions that some of our customers have, I'm sure other customers have as well. So these are things that we could look into and help answer those questions. We could also create a series of how to do things, how to give tips and tricks on the product or service that you're selling, and put that out there as content. Be more raw, be more authentic, be less edited. This is where social media is going to in 2026. We're now living in the age of AI avatars, super polished, high production edited videos. And where I'm seeing the trend going is away from that and straight, raw, easy to understand, digestible, real people telling real stories and helping solve real problems. So looking back at the 4 things that we look into, 1 is how do we improve visibility? 2 is how do we engage more customers? 3 is how do we build social proof? Ask for testimonials. And 4 is how do we create more helpful content that will help our followers, our customers, and potential customers for years to come. Remember, content is great. We put it out there and it's a tool that we can use on our website, on YouTube, on Instagram and TikTok that will live there forever. And people who are intently searching for this particular problem can come across your video and you can be the one who's teaching about whatever it may be for your business.